Hi friends, welcome to Vimal's Curry Pot. Today I am going to show you how to make chicken 65 and lemon rice. Both goes very well. So let's see what all ingredients we need for this. Come, let's get started. Thank you for watching. Now I have taken 500 grams of boneless chicken cut into cubes. Now to this I'll add in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. This is Kashmiri red chili powder. So this gives a very bright color to our recipe. You don't have to add any coloring agent for this. One tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of pepper powder. We'll squeeze in a quarter lemon juice to this. And 1 egg. 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. This will give you a very crispy texture to the recipe. Now the last one, a quarter teaspoon of garam masala. Now let's mix all this well and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. You can even keep this in the fridge or you can leave it on the countertop too, so that all the masalas get well incorporated in this. Mix this well and let's rest this for 30 minutes. Okay. Now place a pan, heat this up. We'll add in some oil for this tempering. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add some mustard seeds. Wait till the mustard seeds splatter. This is a teaspoon of urad dal and chana dal. Fry this. Don't burn them. Add green chilies, 2 green chilies. I have here some cashews. You can add even peanuts to this. It tastes very good. Curry leaf. Now some turmeric powder and hing powder, asafoetida. Fry this without burning. Now let's add in some very little water, just a splash of water to this. Add some coriander. Add salt to your taste, how much rice you are adding in. I am adding here a teaspoon of salt. I am adding some white rice, cooked white rice here. Now switch off the flame and then we'll add in this lemon juice. You should first switch off the stove and then add the lemon juice, or else the lemon juice will become bitter. Now the lemon rice is getting ready. Yeah, it's done. Mix all the rice very well. Lemon rice is ready. Pan, we'll add in some oil for frying. Now let's heat this oil. Heat it in a medium heat. Check the oil is hot. Yeah, it's hot. Now you can drop in the chicken. Fry this on medium heat so that the chicken cooks well. We can fry the chicken in 2 batches so that we don't overcrowd this. You can cook this chicken for 3 minutes on each side. It's a very easy dish. Let's flip all this. Now the chicken is done. Let's take this out and fry the second batch. I have taken a teaspoon of oil, the fried oil, and adding some minced garlic to this and fry this well. Saute this for a minute. Add curry leaves. At this point, if you want to add some more chili powder or green chilies to it for more spice, you can add. But I am enough with this spice level. So just saute this for a while, say for a minute or 2. Don't burn this garlic. And we'll add in this fried chicken, okay? Now tasty chicken 65 is ready to serve. You can serve this chicken 65 with biryani, dal rice, sambar rice, curd rice, rasam sadam, and with even that lemon rice and puliyodara. It's going to be a very delicious dish. Thank you for watching. The garlic in this is going to be very tasty. So don't forget to add garlic and curry leaves. This gives a very tasty flavor to the 65. Chicken 65. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.